Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my September kit releases. I'm so excited because I have formatted some so everyone can custom make their kind of kit, but still keeping my kits that I've had before. So let me get started because I have a bunch, I have a lot. So let me start with what we usually have on the regular basis, which is my regular kits that I usually have. So let me zoom you guys right in. Let me move some of this stuff over. And so of course we always have my debt tracker, and this time around September is purple, so I made it like a purple flowery pattern back with like lilac as the washi, and the stick flags will match the colors within that pattern. So this is my debt tracker. And of course, I'll have these for the big happy notes and my Erin Condren 7.9 size. If you guys are wondering, the 7.9 size Erin Condren does fit the classic happy planner. I've tried it in my previous one and it worked out great. So just in case you're wondering, it does fit the classic happy planner as well. So this is my debt tracker. Then I have my September budget sheet. It's the same as always. There's no change there. And then I have my bi-weekly kit right here for my bi-weekly budgeter babes. This is what I usually budget with. So beautiful. Now for those who have four or more you guys, paychecks, I did something for you guys. And now let me bring it in here. And it's right over here. I basically custom created a la carte sheets that you can buy to create your own budget kit. So I first have a sheet of washi. It's right here. The washi has top and bottom washi. Let me flip it around so you can see it. Has top and bottom washi, which is good for 2 paychecks if you use them top and bottom, or you can use them as 1, 2, 3, and 4, however you like, but they are different sizes. But this is the washi strip right here that's good for 2 paychecks, and you can add another one so you can have 4. And I did include an extra smaller one in case you need a 5th paycheck. So I do have now washi strips that you can just buy on your own, so you can create your own custom kit. And not only that, I created the script stickers for your paychecks. So in case you have 5 paychecks, you can now buy script stickers that say paychecks 1 through 5. Or if you just have 4 paychecks, you can do paychecks 1 through 4. And everything will be listed on my Etsy shop. Like that, you guys know the prices and everything. And then since I know a lot of people like the scripts that I have within my kits, I did create a nice small script sticker kit that you can add on to your washi pages. So you can have your washi, your paycheck headers, and within that you can have script stickers that you can basically custom make within your own sheets. So if you just want income and bills to pay, you can put that. If you only want cash envelopes and expenses, you can do that. If you're just not even in a debt journey, you can put savings, sinking funds, cash envelopes, and income. So you can just custom create however you want your stickers. So that's how that will look. And of course, I know a lot of people like also my little deco, so I will also have a separate sheet for the deco. And let me zoom you guys in. So you guys will get the dollar signs right there, the dollar bills, the piggies, enough so you can cover your paychecks. So if you're interested in creating your own kits, I will be able to have this available. So all you will need is like your deco, your paychecks, probably 2 of these, and like 4 of these if you guys want to create your own custom kits, 1 for each time you create a paycheck budget. So yeah, that is what I created for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it, because this will prevent custom orders for me, especially since I believe I'm going back to work this upcoming week, or I might be already at work and you guys don't even know it. But I will also have the Big Happy Notes regular size kits that I usually have. This is the ones that I'll be using. And of course I use my debt tracker, my September budget, my bi-weekly kit. And I also came out with, dun dun dun, bill due stickers that match the font, the colors of the September kit right there. So all these colors were pulled from the September pattern. So I did pull in the blues, the pinks, the purples, and an orange in between there. So if you're interested, I will have bill due stickers that match the September kit. And that is it, you guys. That is it. Come to the front over here. We have the debt tracker. We have the September month budget. Then we have the bi-weekly kit right over here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're interested in buying any of those stickers that I showed, the links will be down below. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.